Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off the automatic updater in Adobe Acrobat, specifically the 2025 version. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to prevent Acrobat from downloading or installing updates on its own, so you can stay in control of when your software changes, avoid unexpected installations, and keep your workflow uninterrupted. Let's dive right in. The simplest way to disable Acrobat's auto updater is right from within the program's preferences. If your version supports this setting, it only takes a few moments and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. So first things first, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can do this like you normally would. Maybe you have a desktop shortcut, or maybe you open it from your Start menu or Applications folder. Either way, make sure Acrobat is completely opened up before moving to the next step. Once Acrobat is running, it's time to access the Preferences window. On Windows, you'll want to navigate to the top menu bar, click on Edit, and from the drop-down, select Preferences toward the bottom. If you're on a Mac, the path is just a little different. Head to the Acrobat menu at the very top left of your screen, and then choose Preferences. This window is basically the control center for customizing how Acrobat behaves, so it's good to know your way around it. Now that you're in the Preferences window, take a look at the list of categories running down the left side. These are sections that cover different aspects of the software, like General Settings and Document Viewing. Scroll through until you find one labeled Updater. Don't worry if you have to look for a moment. It's usually somewhere midway down, not right at the top. Click Updater to reveal the available options for updating Acrobat. Here, Adobe gives you a bit of control over how it manages new versions and patches. The setting we're looking for will say something like, "Do not download or install updates automatically." It might be worded just a little differently depending on your release or language settings, but the meaning will be clear. This is the option that stops Acrobat from silently updating behind your back. Go ahead and select this choice. What you're doing here is telling Acrobat to hold off on all the automatic updates. It won't fetch or install anything new unless you manually check for updates yourself. This can be especially helpful if you're working on an important project and don't want sudden interface changes, or if you're running add-ons that could break with a new release. Remember, though, that disabling automatic updates means you'll need to keep an eye out for critical security patches on your own, and check for updates periodically. Once you've chosen the Do Not Download or Install Updates Automatically option, take a moment to double-check that it's selected. Sometimes, settings can revert if you click away too quickly. Happy with your choice? Perfect. Now just click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Acrobat will remember this setting going forward, and you're all set. That's really all there is to it. If your version of Acrobat has this option, it's a quick and straightforward way to make sure you're not blindsided by unexpected updates. Think of it like telling your car not to go in for service every week. You'll still want to maintain things, but you get to decide when. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like below and drop a comment if you have any questions about Acrobat or run into any snags along the way. I'm happy to help. And be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides that keep you in control of your software and productivity. See you in the next video.